Can you imagine that you can turn this into this in seconds? Still spending 30 minutes every day formatting Excel reports, creating summaries, and building charts manually? What if I told you that with just one recorded script, Excel can do all of that automatically in seconds? Today, I'll show you how to use Excel's record script feature to format your data, summarize it using the powerful new PIVOTBY function, and generate professional charts, all with a single click. Let's start with some raw sales data. Go to the Automate tab and click Record Actions. You can see a red recording button on your right side. Everything you do now is being recorded. Let's perform your formatting steps once. Format Revenue column by using shortcut Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells box. Format Date column. Add formulas to calculate month of the year from Date column. On your right side, you can see all your actions are recorded and listed clearly. You can also change to your favorite font. Center the columns. Now let's take automation to the next level with step 2. Instead of creating traditional pivot tables, we're going to use the new PIVOTBY function. PIVOTBY lets you generate dynamic summaries directly with formulas. This formula instantly creates a matrix showing sales by product and month. No drag and drop, no refreshing pivot tables, just one formula. And because it's formula-based, it updates automatically whenever your source data changes. Let's add this step into our script workflow. The script formats the data, and then automatically navigates to the summary sheet where the PIVOTBY report is already set up. Now every refreshed dataset gets summarized instantly. You can convert data into an Excel table and apply a professional table style. Step 3. Finally, let's visualize the data by creating chart. Choose the PIVOTBY output, then go to Insert and choose a professional chart type. As soon as the summary updates, the chart updates too. No manual chart creation, no refreshing, no adjustments. Once you're done, click Stop Recording. Excel automatically creates an office script behind the scenes. The next time you run this script, all formatting will happen instantly. Now, let's try with a new raw data with the recorded script. This automation keeps everything current. Take a look. New data comes in. Run the script. Formatted, summarized, chart updated, all in seconds. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What Excel task would you like to automate next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel automation tutorial.